present you a 28-liter hiking backpack. It's great for a day hike or short hike, for any beginner to maybe beginner plus level hike in local region in UAE. Let's open it up to see about the compartment. This is the main compartment here. Water bladder space is here. Here you can put some jackets, pants, change of clothing, maybe cup, bottles, small items, snacks, lunch maybe you can put it in. And here you have a small compartment. You can put personal document, a book, some small item for yourself. On the outer side we have a nice stretchy outer pocket. You can put your raincoat in it, maybe your umbrella if you used umbrella in the hike or something, sunglasses, a cap, you can put it in. There is outer adjustable straps on the outside, elastic. You can adjust the volume that you want to keep for the outer pocket. On the side we have two nice big pocket for a small water bottle, for some small items like tissue, like wipes, you can put it in. Oh yeah, right here when you open the main compartment, you can see here there is a channel for the water bladder tube. You can put it here and then put it through this loop to stabilize your water bladder. Very nice, wide, thick cushioning, yet also breathable shoulder straps. Air ventilated back structure. Breathable, ventilated waist straps, very wide. It will sit nicely on your hip without hurting you. And here are two nice set pockets. Put your phone, or key, or something. At the bottom there's a rain cover. With Topsky logo on it. There's a buckle hidden inside this zipper pocket for attaching the rain cover.